This is our random walk.
Give me it. Yo, Curt and Shiv here. Shiv there, and Curt there, and walking through Victoria train station trying to get back to Orbis. Yep. Now I'm going to have lesbian sex in a minute.
That was a random comment.
Yeah, I am. Yeah. I ain't got nothing to say.
Say something funny.
You can't just say something funny. It's like improvise. So
You stole that name.
Not really.
Yeah, you do. You do love it.
Goth boy. He's not even a goth.
And you stole a goth.
How is he a goth?
He's dressed in black.
So,
He wears black.
I dress in black sometimes.
Yeah, but he's dyed his hair black.
Yeah?
It's okay, it's emo.
You're on camera, you know.
If it's not goth, it's definitely an emo.
Yeah, it was not goth boy then, is it?
Yeah.
No, he's emo boy.
He's a goth wannabe.
Anyway, back to the tour.
He's so known, right?
Yeah. I believe you. I believe you.
Yeah, do you have enough questions?
Anyway, I'm going to set this tour to a close now.
Say bye.
No, you can't say bye about 6 times because that happened naturally.
Bye.
Bye. I'm going to go now. Bye.
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 Bye. So I'm going to record myself for like 10 seconds because I'm fake. Shiv, don't be an idiot. Oh. She nearly got run over. Just crossing the road now. Shiv nearly got run over. I'm going to pause it. Well, I'm going to stop it now or she's still alive. Give me a pause, quick.